Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we focus on stock procedure. When I work for an accountant department, I update new employee paycheck list every month, but sometimes the data from the new list was messed up. So I create an error logs table under stock procedure to catch the error information to make my debugging jobs easier. I have a paycheck table like this, and I have a new paycheck list like this. You can see there is something wrong on Jim and Jerry. They have same ID number. Here, that's the short list. But in our real job, we may have a huge size data on this list. We couldn't see anything ourselves, so I made a stock procedure to run this update and record the error information if there is. Firstly, I create an error logs table. It's simple. Secondly, I create a stock procedure to catch the error information by using begin catch function to catch the error information from the system. Thirdly, I create a date loading procedure to load the new paycheck list to our database. We execute the catch error procedure inside this procedure, and also we use a while loop function in this procedure. It looks perfect. Let's execute the date loading procedure. Then take a look for what was happening. So far so good. The error log table records the field date loading information. We can see ID number 4 was duplicated. It broken the prime key rules. Good. Today we are done a perfect job. So learn SQL from real jobs. See you next time.